just why not. And today for this video, I didn't really have anything planned to do because I just started school this week. And right now it is almost 10 p.m. As you can see, it's dark outside. But, sorry, my phone almost fell. But, so this video, I am going to just be showing you my friendship bracelets that I'm either working on or have already finished and have done. And I might be creating a website or something that I can sell my bracelets on. I can't use Etsy because for that you need to have a bank account. I don't have a bank account, but I have a PayPal account. So we'll figure it out and I'll let you guys know if I do anything. So let's get into the video. Okay, so here are all of my bracelets. And I have a few that are missing. I think I know where they are, so if I can, I'll find them. I know they're not done yet, though. But also, I've made a few other bracelets that look like this one. I don't know if it's backwards for you guys or not, but this has my name, just says Skyla. But I made one for my friend, and I made one for my brother. I've made a few more. So I have a few, but those ones I gave to them, so I just have this one with that. Okay, so let's look at one of my first bracelets, if I can find it in here. Here it is. Okay. This bracelet is awful. Just gonna get right to the point. But see the top. This bracelet, actually, I wasn't even following a chevron pattern. I was trying to do, like, there was supposed to be a whole nother color in here too. I don't know what happened to that. Also, you can see there's no ends, just tied off. Also, look how stretchy it is. It's because I did my knotting really loose on one of my newer bracelets. Let's see if I can find one. This one, because it's a normal pattern. It's still a little bit stretchy, but not as stretchy as this. And this was not supposed to be chevron pattern. Basically what happened was I found strings in my garage, and then I looked up friendship bracelet tutorials, and this is what came out. But it's not supposed to be a chevron. Also, I didn't know how to knot. I thought you just like pulled them, not like held one and then pulled it up. So you can see there's a lot of colors that like went through. Down here, I kind of started to get the hang of it, but up there, yeah. So, yeah, we've got two bracelets. This one I did a tutorial on, which you guys have already seen. So the back of it looks like. I like the back of this one. I think it looks neat. This one I didn't do a tutorial for, but what I did was I took white string and I figured out how to do shape bracelets. If you guys want a tutorial on this, I kind of figured it out myself. I don't even know if this is how you're supposed to do it, but like I did triangle ends and I just did another triangle end and it just worked. And then I put like this star. I wish I would have put the star on a different way. I wish that I would have put like one of those little circle things, metal ring things, and then attach this to the metal ring so that because it tends to hang to the side and it's just weird. And then this one just has twisted ends. I don't know if you can see them that well, but yeah. This one I did a tutorial for. This is what my elf one. This one's one of my favorite bracelets that I have. This one was on Mosh and Knots. I know that. She did a queuing tutorial. This one was my largest alpha. I think I'm working on one that's bigger, but I haven't worked on that one in like 2 months. So this one, it's a corgi butt. In the back of it, it looks terrible because I didn't know what to do with that. I was going to do like the front of the corgi and put on this side, but then I got too bored of it, I guess, and like just got lazy. Also, it's like really fat and like squishy because the strings are like that. So yeah, but this one's cool. This one, my first ever alpha avocado. Yeah. And if I can find all the patterns, the patterns of these, I will link them down below. This one was not one of my first bracelets. It's one of the Chinese staircases. I did this one for a tutorial on a TikTok channel. But it's like huge, if you guys can't tell. Like, look at this. I don't know what in the world I was thinking. It's big. And it's like starting to come undone right here too. But I think I just wanted to like, I don't know. It's just, yeah. This one, I tried to do a zipper bracelet. A zipper bracelet with beads. The first one I ever did and the only one I've ever done. And I very underestimated the amount of string I needed. So it came out of this and I had like this much string left. And I just put this bead on that. I don't know why. I don't like it. But there's that. You have this one. I made this one for the beach. It's not actually this sturdy. This is just like a not white. I wish I would have made it white. It just looks dirty now. Except for it's really soft. I don't know why. But I made it because I was going to the beach. Because he has waves. And it was just a one-time wear thing. Because, see, I had to cut it off because it just got too old. It took forever to make, though. Okay, now I have to undo this chain. Okay, there's one. Two. What the heck was that? That's weird. Oh, there it is. Hey, last one. Okay. So this one's still wearable because it has a button clasp. It was for 4th of July. Yeah. And it's a flip-flop bracelet. Yeah. That one's good. This one's still wearable. I had like a little let me fix my phone. I had time where like I really liked making chevrons. It only lasted a few weeks, but this is one of them. It's like an Easter one. I don't know why it reminds me of Easter though. Is that one? This watermelon bracelet. I don't know why I made it so small. I think it was just taking me forever. But yeah. The chevron. This one I actually started when I first started making friendship bracelets. And it's one of those ones I just never finished. I think it's cool though. Oh my, it's a very big knot. Oh, that's gonna be an issue once I start this again. This one was the first elf I ever completed. This one was the first one I ever started, but then I stopped working on it for a long time. And I made this for my sister because she likes Toy Story. But it's just like a little woody thing. And she's only 2, so this I just like put some strings on it and just like, because her wrist is like really tiny. Oh man. This one. This one's like the second or third one I ever made. I wore it for like at least 6 months. And it got all curled up. You can barely even tell what it is now. This one I'm still working on. Just a cool little pattern. for now. It's in a knot with all these other ones. Got it out. Okay. This one I was making for my neighbor who moved. There's a chevron. This one's just like one of these arrow ones. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next Tuesday. Bye.